What's up, danamezcua here again with Mescua Multimedia and Marketing. Today we're doing an unboxing of a Zoom H6. So I apologize, this section of the video is coming from my iPhone. Picked up the Zoom H6 and this is what it looks like. We've got a couple more in here. AA batteries. And then the recorder itself. So the nice thing is you can actually connect it to your camera through this jack right here. There's a headphones jack. You also have 4 microphone XLR inputs. From what I understand, the preamps on this are actually very nice. And so here we go. Gonna turn it on for the first time. Right now it's asking me what language I want to select. And there you have it. So the reason why I picked up the Zoom recorder is because I actually had a little Tascam recorder that I had on a tripod underneath my camera. The way that it's designed is the camera is supposed to be on top of it while I'm recording. Because I live in Las Vegas, this unit kept on overheating. I didn't know that. I kept on trying to figure out why, and it was getting really frustrating recording these videos and then having the audio cut off, only to find out when I go back to edit the video that I only had half the audio. So now with this new Zoom recorder, I can take it, it's a little bit more mobile friendly, and so that's the whole reason why I picked this thing up. After hearing reviews from Curtis, Judd, and others, I had decided Tascam sounds like the best choice to go with simply because it has the best preamps. However, having said that, again, the heat situation. Other reviewers had also mentioned the H6 took massive leaps and bounds forwards. So this audio recording that I'm doing right now is the first test that I'm doing to see whether or not I even like the way this thing sounds. So I immediately went back and took this video, edited it a little bit, and then listened to the audio. Everything sounds really good to me. You might have noticed that there's an air conditioner running in the background. I apologize for that. Again, this is coming from a garage in Las Vegas where it is very hot. Thoughts overall though, I'm really excited about it, looking forward to using this thing out in the field. Catch you on the next one.